All right. Well, the title of it's America's Bankrupt. And by the end of this, hopefully I can give you a better descriptive and informative message on America and how you feel on the dollar. America is bankrupt. You don't want to believe it. No one wants to accept it. Politicians, whatever, it's a bunch of crap. Bottom line, get out of the dollar as fast as you can. There's a lot of ways to get out of the dollar. You know, there's a lot of ways to profit from the dollar. There's a lot of ways to get out of it as well. And I'm just recommending getting out of the dollar as much as possible, as quickly as possible, to minimize your portfolio. And the bottom line, I'm trying to share information here. This is to everybody across the world, just not America, because we're eating, we're watching football. We're living in big fancy houses. We have 2 or 3 fucking cars. We are subprime. We are a bunch of debt borrowers now. Japan and China, consumer debt. That's truth. I mean, I forgot what the daily they have to fund into our economy just to keep it afloat. Is it 5 billion daily? No, it's got to be. No, it's more than that. Bottom line, get out of the dollar. America's bankrupt. If you ever, this is to the people around the world that don't know crap about America, and get out of it. I'm saying, get your reserve money, get it out, just cash it in, buy some gold, buy some silver, buy some commodities, buy something that's going to be backed, that's hard assets backed in the long end. That's going to mean something. We're going to go back to something that we're just going to revert back to history. Everything goes back to, human nature. It never changes. There's some fundamental concerns recently, and I just want to become, I want everybody to become aware of it, and I hope, make proper investment decisions, that affect their retirements, their lifestyle, and, capital preservation. I want to preserve people's wealth. I don't want to blow it up, and, people are panicking right now, and that's what that's with all the, the Dow going from 14.2 down to 11.6. And if the, interest rates weren't going to get cut, we were going to have a collapse on January 22nd, 2008. The government knew. We were all, it's bad. And now it's more of a global concern, which I didn't think it was going to have a lot of impact globally, but it looks like, internationally it's taking more of a beating. So you guys already know about it. I'm sure you're feeling the pain already. And, I'm just trying to be, let the proper person make their own decision about, investing and keep their money safe. And certain assets right now are depreciating, and the purchasing powers, if you look at the chart of the dollar, if you got the dollar, it's not good to be in it. I mean, it's from 1913, it's worth, what, 3 to 5 cents? It's, we're going to get out of this. Since we decoupled from the gold standard, our money is worthless, guys. And, government can keep on generating printing presses all day long, blow that crap up, trade and budget deficits. It's just going to go exponential now. And now we're going to have, the next bubble is going to be the credit turmoil. America's bankrupt, basically. Can't pay our credit debt. And that's going to shake us by surprise. Invest in gold, invest in silver, invest in some precious metals. I mean, energy's here to stay. Future alternate energy. We need to think about and solve problems of tomorrow versus trying to get rich today. And a lot of these guys have a lot of money on the table, and they want to see, we run, the whole world runs on oil, and we need to get away from that. And we need to come up with some other, good methods. We've got problems, and, I'm just one person. I'm trying to, make my voice. Thank you.